Good morning, student. I am B.D. Srivastava. I will teach you science. In science, I will teach you biology. First, we know about what is science. Science, what is science? A systematic and organized study with the help of experiment and observation is called science. This science word is taken from Latin word scientia, which means to know. Which means to know. Science word is taken from Latin word scientia. It means to know. इसका मतलब होता है कि जानना. Science is divided into two categories. First is natural science and second is physical science. In natural science comes biology and in physical science comes physics and chemistry. I will teach you natural science, biology. Biology is again divided into zoology and botany. What is biology? Study of living organism is called biology. And what is zoology? Study of animals is called zoology. What is botany? Study of plants is called botany. Of zoology, who is the father of zoology? Father of zoology is Aristotle also. Father of botany is Theophrastus. Theophrastus. Now we know about the chapters of class 9 biology. There are 6 chapters in biology of class 9. Chapter first is the fundamental unit of life, and the second chapter is tissue, and the third chapter is diversity in living organism, and fourth chapter is how do we fall ill. Sixth chapter is natural resources, and sixth chapter is improvement in food resources. We will start first chapter, fundamental unit of life. In this chapter, we study about cells. What is cell? Structural and functional unit of living organism is called cell. Cell is originate from, cell word is originate from a Latin word cellula. Cell word is originate from a Latin word cellula. It means little room. Cell is first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. On the basis of number of cells, organisms are divided into two groups. First is unicellular organism, and second is multicellular. Organism. What is unicellular organism? Those organisms which are made up of single cell, are called unicellular organism, and those organisms which are made up of many cells are called multicellular organism. This is unicellular organism and this is multicellular. In unicellular organism, all the activities are performed by single cell. And in multicellular organism, all the activities are performed by different cells. Hence, it is called multicellular, and hence it is called unicellular organism. Of unicellular organism. Example of unicellular organisms: amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. Example of multicellular organism: all plants, animals, human beings, human beings. These are multicellular organisms. Now we will study about cell theory. Cell theory. What is cell theory? This cell theory is given by J. Sliding. Matthias Jacob Sliding and Theodor Schwann. Theodor Schwann in 1838 to 1839. Cell theory is given by Matthias Jacob Sliding and Theodor Schwann in 1838 to 1839. According to this theory, first, all living organism made up of cell. First theory is all living organism made up of cell. Second theory, cell is the functional and structural unit of living organism. Second cell theory is cell is the functional and structural unit of living organism. This is the definition of cell. This is also the definition of the cell. Third cell theory. Third cell theory is given by Rudolf Virchow. Third cell theory is given by Rudolf Virchow. According to this theory, omnis cellula a cellula. This sentence is the third theory. What is the meaning of this sentence? Every new cell is originate from pre-existing cell. It means जो भी नए सेल बनते हैं वो पुरानी सेल से ही बनते हैं. Every new cell is originate from pre-existing cell. This is the meaning of omnis cellula a cellula. This is the third cell theory which is given by Rudolf Virchow. Now we study about cell structure. What is the structure of cell? How cell is made up of? Cell is made up of three parts. Cell is made up of three parts. First is cell membrane, or plasma membrane. Second, nucleus. Third, cytoplasm. Roughly we draw the figure of cell. This is the plasma membrane. What is this? This is plasma membrane, and this is the nucleus, and this part is cytoplasm. The structure of every cell is like this. This is the outer membrane, it is called cell membrane or plasma membrane, and liquid present between the cell membrane is called cytoplasm, and in this liquid or cytoplasm a small circular structure is present which is called nucleus.